Hi, my name is Mike Cantrell. I'm a physical therapist. I'm down in Houston, Texas at the dental office of Dr. Alice Lamb. And I thought I'd take a minute and answer a frequently asked question. And that frequently asked question is, why is it so difficult to correct a crossbite? So the answer comes first with understanding what a crossbite is. So I'm going to move toward this camera and I want you to see with this model what a crossbite kind of looks like. So let's get a quick peek. So I'm holding the position of the mandible such that on one side over here, you can see that the bottom teeth are outside of the top teeth. And when the bottom teeth are outside of the top teeth, you're in crossbite. Now, that's a really oversimplified description because crossbites can occur on one side, the other side, angling up toward the front. But the bottom line is that the bottom teeth are going to wind up outside the top teeth. It's many, many times driven by configuration of body position. We know that there are strain patterns in the skull, meaning bones twist and turn. And those twisting and turning bones can cause one side of the roof of your mouth to pitch in. And when one side pitches in too much, now you're in crossbite. What we need to also then understand is that we can correct some of the strain pattern by improving normal rib cage respiratory dynamics. Changing the way people breathe can change neck activity, which can change tongue position. When you change tongue position and neck activity, you reduce the strain that's going on in the skull, which then subsequently reduces the amount of this drive inward of one side of the palate or the other. So we're looking to see if we can use the body to change position to reduce the strain, to reduce the crossbite. Now, there are tools you can use to assist that, especially if the issue is with a tongue. I have with me a device called an Advanced Lightwire Functional Appliance, or ALF. Now, I'm holding up this tiny little wire that you can barely see, but I'm going to move in close and let you see that this little wire, a little bit blurry, but that's okay. You get the idea, would fit into the roof of my mouth and draw my tongue up like a magnet, which can then pull a palate down, the roof of my mouth down. So devices like ALFs and splints can all be used to help modify body position. And then that allows teeth to be modified out of crossbite. Thanks a lot and stay with me.